Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to report someone on Discord from mobile. Sometimes you want to report someone spamming your DMS or sending harassing messages. Of course, Discord is multi-platform and can run on several devices and different operating systems. For example, if you encounter troublesome information while using Discord on the desktop, you can report users. To do that on your phone, first, enter the channel with the user giving you problems and press and hold their name in the chat. Or, click the three dots. From the menu that comes up, scroll down or tap Report. Now, report the message and reason for it, such as spam, abuse or harassment, harmful misinformation, violent extremism, or exposing private identifying information, or doxing. Hit the red report spam button if someone sends you a questionable or offensive direct message. And that's it. Tattling on user comments isn't the best use of your time while on Discord. But you can report and even block the user if something is particularly offensive. And if you've ever wanted to have a streaming party with friends on the platform, you can stream Netflix on Discord. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.